Teka lang, Miss Suarez, mali.
Excuse me. Anong mali? Pwede mong mind for business.
Hindi ka kasi nakikinig eh. Sabing mali ka dyan.
Saan?
Ito, sa pagkaganyan na yan. Gets mo na.
Oo naman, no. Basic lang kaya yan. Malito lang mo.
Next question. Find the number of distinguishable permutation of the word money.
Then this is it.
Very good, Miss Orba. 3 points for her. Now let's proceed to the next. Find the number of distinguishable permutation of the word compound.
3,360.
Very good, Miss Wallace. 3 points. Now, this is a very crucial one. Last and final question. Find the number of distinguishable permutation of the word educated.
10,080.
Wow. And now we have the next without complication. And congratulations for winning second place.
Congratulations, kids! Congratulations. Dito muna kayo. Kukuha muna ako ng snacks niyo, ha? Ba't mo ginawa yun?
Ano ginawa?
Yung sa last question. Alam kong alam mo na sagot. Pero bakit hindi mo sinagutan?
Yun. Nakalimutan ko yung solution kaya hindi ko nasagutan.
Liar. I know that you know the answer, pero hindi mo sinagutan. Ba't mo ginawa yun?
Just forget about it, Celine. And just enjoy your victory. By the way, congrats.
Crush mo lang ako.
Show me. Tara. Sana. Ayun ka ba? Bakit? Kasi, can I call you?
Seryoso ka ba?
Ano pag oo?
Umuwi na lang tayo.
Dahan-dahan lang sa gitna man ng daan. Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama